Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Josh and Mylas family. Guys, today it's snowing pretty much here, and we're outside. Josh, Myra, my husband, the baby is in the house. Of course, it's too cold for him, so we are trying to figure out how to make this snow. But this snow, I've never seen this snow. Like, you cannot make a snowman. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Watch until the end. Let's make a snowman. Okay, no. Amazaya, come. Come here, make a snowman here. Here. You don't need to. So guys, here we have tried our best to make a snowman, but the snow is so dry. You cannot even make a ball in your hands. Myra is so helpful. It's her first time to play in the snow. In my state, we don't get too much snow, so whenever we get it, we get use of it. The kids love playing in the snow. Keep watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. You share how this weather is treating you guys. Tell me your thoughts. Keep watching. That's crazy. I'm just gonna do a pile, you know. It's like sugar. But that's easy wiping the car. Good job. Diana, is this funny? I just made a pair, but it doesn't look anything. I'm just gonna make a mountain. Yeah. Trying to make a snowman and it's not working. Oh! Yeah. Your first snow. Play snow. No, wait, Amaziah. You need to wait. We're gonna do that. Yeah, you can use. Yes. Good job. You're getting snow all over your body. Myra, is this fun? It's your first time snow. Snow play. Guys, we have tried making a snowman, but this snow doesn't work at all. You cannot even make a ball in your hands. Good. Myra. Myra. We right, Josh? Josh? Okay. I know. It's fun.
I'm making my tower.
You're making your tower? Okay.
We're gonna see that. Why you bring it every other time? Don't play. Yeah.
Let's do that. Yeah.
I'll just fall.
Yeah, you just fell.
Cut. Well, I just tried to right there.
Okay, make it. Sorry. Just look in the camera and do this.
I didn't want it. I can't see it.
Hey, no. Not in her eyes, baby. No. Stop it. So guys, I just brought the baby just for a few seconds just to be in the video so that we can keep memories that he doesn't miss out the snow. Keep watching. This is fun time. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Look at daddy.
Amaziah.
Amaziah, look at daddy. Don't take me, just take. The next day we went hiking to the kids park. As you're gonna see in this video, the kids had a lot of fun, and as you see here, Josh, I mean, they're looking forward like every morning to go like play outside. Snow hike. Keep watching. Yeah, you're going snow hike. Snow hike. Snow hike. Keep coming, mama. Yeah, you made it. Snow hike. Yeah, this is fun.
Mommy, just come.
Yeah, beautiful over there. You wanna run over there? There, go there.
I don't want.
You don't want to? You're going snow hike, guys.
It's a long way. I'll get there.
Yeah. My babies. Here we are at the kids park. It's all like white. And the kids are having fun. We're starting sledding.
Good.
Wow, it's beautiful out here.
Keep going.
Oh my god, I cannot imagine life without my beautiful babies. Keep watching, guys.
You ready?
Ready, set, go. Go. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. We are coming to the end of our video. I hope you've had fun. Thanks for hanging out with us.
That was fun.
Have a nice day and hug your loved ones. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. I'll see you in my next video.
Good job.